In this video I will show you how to calculate the volume or the size of the lot that you can trade with your size of an account, so you don't risk more than 1% of your account, which is very important to do. Never risk more than 1% of your account, at least at the beginning of your career. That might be even less than that. So to do so, let's take for example that your bank account is 10,000 British pounds. To calculate 1% out of it, we need to multiply that by 0.01 and we will have 100. So 100 British pounds is what you can risk in one trade. And knowing that, now we need to calculate the value of the pip, so you know that your stop loss, when it's hit, it's exactly at 100 pounds. So let's say we are scalping and our stop loss is 30 pips from the entry point. So if the price moves 30 pips against us or towards our take profit, then it will be exactly 100. So basically we need to divide 100 per 30 pips, and in that way we will get that 1 pip needs to be worth £3.33. So after the 30 pips, it's exactly 100 pounds. So that's what we know. We know the value of the pip. So now we need to calculate the volume of our trade, and to do so we need to go to the main page of IronFX, then go to trading calculators. And now we've got 3 calculators here. One is to calculate margin, your margin. Another one is pip calculator, that's the one we need for this purpose. And another one is the currency converter. So we know that our account currency is in British pounds, and the currency pair, let's take for instance Euro USD, and now we need to have a value here, £3.33. Unfortunately we can't just put 3.33 and get the results. We need to choose the number of lots, so it will give us this 3.33. So let's say 1, just to start and see how we will get, and we get 6.59, which is nearly double what we want. So we will need to put 0.5 over here, and then we've got 3.29. We want 3.33, so we can try like that, 36. So let's just leave it at 0.5. So now we know that we need to trade half a lot to make 1 pip worth 3.29, which is close to our 3.33. So where do we put this? We go to our MT4, which was our euro dollar, new order, and now we put it just over here, volume 0.5. And let's actually test it. Let's see if everything goes exactly how we want. For instance, let's put buy stop order at 1260 with stop loss 30 points away, 1230, and take profit as well 30 points away. Place, And now we've got our order with its stop loss, which is over here, and take profit, which is over here. So we can see that actually it's 20 pips. This one is 30. So 30 pips is it gives us 98, 97. So nearly 100 pounds. That's what we wanted. So this is the number that we would use, having 10,000 pounds of account and risking 30 pips. And as you can see, you can calculate it from here for every currency pair, but you cannot find oil, you cannot find gold or indices over here. So to do so, we need to go a little bit further, again to our IronFX website. We can find nearly everything we need over there. Go to trading and go to futures. Once we are here, we go to, instead of trading conditions, we go to contract details, and let's say we want to trade DAX. So we find our DAX, and we can read from here that one lot size is worth, I mean it's not worth, it will give us 25 euro for each move, for each pip. So now we need to take this 25 euro and convert it to British pounds, because our account is in British pounds. So from euro to British pounds, 25. And we know that if we would trade one whole lot, trading DAX, we would be risking or gaining 18.5 pounds for each pip. But we don't want 18.5, we want 3.33. So now what we need to do, we need to take this number 18.5574, 18.5574, and divide it by 3.33, and we get 5.5727. And we know that this is sort of a ratio. This is like how many times less we need to trade instead of one whole lot. So now we just take our one lot and divide it by 5.5727, and we will get 0.179. So let's say 0.18. So now we take this number, and we know that if we go to trade DAX, and we need to put 0.18, and that's how we would trade DAX, to risk exactly the same as we would trading Euro USD, but then we would have 0.5. And yes, you can do exactly the same with anything else. If you go back to our list, you can see that Dow Jones, for instance, is only $5 per comparing to 25 euro. So $5 is it's 3.298. So it's nearly 3.33. That's what we would trade. So in Dow Jones we know that we can trade the whole lot, and then we will be risking what we are allowed to risk as a maximum, so 1% of our account. I know it might be a little bit complicated at the beginning. You can go through this video a couple of times. If you've got some questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I'm more than willing to help you out, because it's very important not to risk too much. And we will be talking about that during the workshops, of course. So practice that, and good luck.